Okay, let's get it. 1, 2, that's all far. Sing about. Don't shake, don't shake it. Soprano, let's go. Okay, acapella. Everybody, let's sing. Soprano, I can't hear your shake. Okay, open the floodgates. Open the floodgates. When you say open, make it open.
You can't end like that, too. You have to continue playing.
Yes. Okay, I think we're good, Abby.
We didn't really. I didn't sing on this key. You were just.
Again, so it's 4. Okay, tenor join. So this for the first one. Nobody does the first one. I've been helped. They will sing it for you. I just know the idea of your voice, and they will come in. No, it was another song I wanted to do, but I'm thinking let's not do it. I know. No, let's not do that one because that one we are into another. Oh yeah, I love your voice. Okay, so I've led you to the fire. You are led. You have led me to the fire. Oh, in darkest time, you are close like no other. have time.
Your name.
We won't have time.
In all of 20 minutes. Even our
No, there's still another song.
go up to that.
No, we are still singing another song. See, let's him just sing it. No, we are singing that one. Oh yeah, come on, sing it. What? Do you remember the key? This is what key is this one? All the songs. So should we do F? Okay, hold on. Okay, the praise worship from the beginning now. Just run it drive, trap.
I will lift up your name.
Okay, so we just do F for that one.
I will lift up your name. Praise Jehovah. You are wonderful. I will lift up your name. My daddy, my daddy. Your baby is singing. I'll be singing and dancing and chanting for the rest of eternity. There is nothing you cannot
Okay, we're good. So F.
Prentiss. Alright.
What's the song again?
Because there's no track, so there's no loop, so I have to.
Hallelujah.
see how far you've brought me. Lord, I've come to worship you. See how far you've brought me. Lord, I've come to worship. See how far, Lord, I've come. Oh, see how far, you are the mighty way. Oh, see how far, oh, that I've come. Oh, see how far, see you brought me. See how far you come. See how much you Lord, I've come. See how much you blessed me, oh God. Oh, see how much you blessed me. Oh, Lord, I've come. So it is, see how much you've helped me and see how well you've blessed me. Yeah, so I'll just give you
So you can after the before they see how much you do the solo. Can you modulate? Yes. So after the Lord, I've come to worship. See how well you've blessed me, Lord. I've come to worship. See how well, oh, you have blessed me, God. I've come to worship you. Ooh.
Yeah. What are you going to do?
Okay, I think we're good. So just that place, you just go. Just the third one, right? Yes. The second one. Then you know just bring the third one as they're singing. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good.
So we can just stick now to just take it up for the second one.
Okay, we should do it again.
As in the modulation.
Yes. Okay. So just signal me when you're about to go. Lord, I've come to worship. Pick it up. See how well solo
Already
blessed.
high. It's already high for you.
Okay. Oh, it's too high.
It's already high for
Hold
you
on, no.
now. Are you going to be able to do the modulated part? It's already high.
We can